Here's a late model of Unique, especially in Classics 2022 Grand Wagoneer. This is a Series 3 4x4. Clean Carfax, actually a one owner before coming to us. A little over 12,000 miles on it now. Basically, we have a round. Boss drives it when you have a daughter in hockey. If you understand that, you need a little extra room. So we have this. It is for sale. Miles may vary a little bit depending on, like I said, him driving it, putting a few miles on it. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can see it from every angle, interior, engine bay, undersides. You also see a picture of the window sticker in with the still pictures, so you can see exact options. I'll hit on a little of those as we go around it here. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Yes, what you'd expect out of a vehicle with this kind of miles on it and this new. Now, as far as that window sticker, we'll tell you a few of the optional equipment that has been added to this when it was ordered. It does have the diamond black crystal pearl clear coat paint to it. Was an add-on. It also has a customer preferred package 23W, which is going to be the heavy duty trailering package, the trailer brake control, chrome tow hooks, the trailer hitch lineup assist, trailer hitch zoom. That would all be back behind this hidden panel here, of course. And heavy duty engine cooling. And then also the rear seat entertainment group, which is going to be your Amazon Fire TVs built in the rear. You can see those in the still pictures. 10.1 inch rear entertainment screens. And then as you noticed when we were walking around, they're the 22 inch machined aluminum wheels with black noise pockets. That's all in the window sticker. Also remember, we do offer financing. We consider trades. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Have to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a peek in the back of this. There's the screens we were talking about. Take a look at the sunroof or sky view. Also in the rear. Do believe a little tougher to get to show up with the darker interior. Third row seating, second row buckets. And you know how nicely loaded these vehicles are. If this is what you're looking for and interested in, definitely take a look at the still pictures. And again, clean Carfax, a little over 12,000 miles. And again, that may vary just a tad depending on being driven slightly. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. Show you the exact miles here. There's your exact miles, 12,103. Dash, and of course, all your controls. Everything in working order. Obviously still under warranty. Of course, the power, running boards, and all your modern amenities. Again, check out that window sticker. It's the easiest to see rather than me go through every option on one of these. Wow. Of course, underneath the hood, 6.4 liter V8, be an 8-speed automatic transmission. Sounds as it should. If you want to see the engine bay, let me pause this a second. Take a quick peek at the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
It's the hood liner. See how clean it is. Again, what you'd expect with kind of miles in your this vehicle is. There's that 6.4 liter. '22 Grand Wagoneer, Series 3, 4x4, nicely equipped. Check out the window sticker at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and that phone number is 507-386-1726.